Hello, kindergarten families. I am Mrs. Garcia, the principal at Parkview.
And I'm Mr. Zick, the assistant administrator here at Parkview. We are so excited for you to join us for the 2022-23 school year.
And we are excited to welcome you next week for our kindergarten spring open house on Tuesday night from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And we can't wait to tell you what you can expect when you come.
It's going to be so much fun. If you love a scavenger hunt, you're going to love this one. You're going to get to explore and find many places throughout the building, like
the library,
the cafeteria,
the nurse's office,
the gymnasium,
and all of the classrooms that you're going to be spending your time in next year.
We're excited for you to take a tour of the school and even see our playground, and then take a very special ride on
one of our school buses all around the Parkview neighborhood.
It's very similar to the Magic School Bus.
But you're going to get to have time meeting all of our wonderful kindergarten teachers. You'll get to meet both of us and many of our other staff members.
So we'll see you on Tuesday night.
Between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. We can't wait to have you join us, and we can't wait to have you be part of our Parkview community. And welcome to our school.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye-bye.